Are you the type that wants to live in solitude on your own private island? Or are you the type that would prefer to live on the party boat of life, surrounded by lots of people, with lots of entertainment and things to do all the time? The waves are crashing gently on the seashore. The seashells and seaweed litter the shoreline. I take a seat on a concrete slab where the sand meets the water, and I reminisce about how sometimes, while it would be nice to be on a party boat full of people having fun, laughing, being entertained, I take reflection in solitude. The light flickering off of the shoreline reminds me of tinsel on Christmas trees. And I think about how the holiday season is only a short few months away. And by this time next month, it will be too cold to sit here. The sound of the waves bring peace to my mind. I take comfort in knowing after a busy day, I can purge all toxic thoughts and feel renewed for the morning. Living a busy lifestyle is good in some ways, but in others, there are drawbacks. My nerves often feel frazzled. My insomnia kicks in. This story is about renewed hope, renewed energy, renewed life. We have to take time to step back. We have to take time to turn off our cell phones, step away from the television, go to a comfortable spot and just sit. People have lost the art of relaxing. A cell phone constantly glued to your hip, even if it's shut off, is still a cell phone. Why does a life so busy have to include things that distract us from the free, beautiful world in front of our eyes? Why does a cell phone cause us so much anxiety about life, about fear, about the unknown? We're glued to our screens. We hear things on the news and we're frightened by them, and it adds to the list of toxic information that fills our souls. I'm thankful that I'm able to come here in the evening. It's not raining. It's a perfectly warm, crisp evening in August. Waves crashing on the shoreline feel like music to my soul. They help clear away the day's anxieties. It's refreshing to listen to. A train whistle blows in the background, reminding me that it's once again time that I return home to prepare for bed to face another day tomorrow. I hope wherever you are well, and the sound of these crashing waves help soothe your soul